Hello, I'm Melanie Nielsen, owner of the Vancouver Yoga Center in Vancouver, USA, and I am here to teach you another alignment-based yoga tip. First, we're going to start it with learning about where is our hip bone or our hip socket. And most people, when I say point to your hip, they point to the outside of their body. And partially true, but the ball and socket, the part that moves, the part that we want to get more range of motion from when we do our yoga, is actually more closely aligned to your pubic bone. It's in the crease of your hips. So this leg bone is almost very similar to my own leg bone in its length. And you can see here on my body where it lands. Now in yoga classes, we want to always take our hips back in their sockets. So even if we're standing in, say, our Tadasana pose, if our body's weight is shifted forward of the midline, the femur bone, the hip bone, starts to move forward away from the acetabulum, away from the pelvis itself. So we have a principle we call thighs back, that in every pose we're seeking to press the femur head a little further back to the back body, to the back plane. And whenever we especially bend our leg or make more of a hip crease, we're going to root down the head of the femur bone, the hip bone, while we lift up a knee. So I'm going to do another tutorial on how this rooting applies to a couple very key yoga poses that we do a lot. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video and you want more, join us at vancouveryogacenter.com, and you can see some online classes there. You can also see some of my teacher trainings in alignment-based yoga. And hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.